To create a private server, open Roblox on your smartphone. And now go ahead and find out the game in which game you want to create a private server. Now tap on the game and here scroll up, tap on servers, and here we can see this game provides free server. So price we can see free. So some games, in some games you have to pay Robux to create server. So just tap on create private server and rename the server here. Scroll down and tap on buy now and tap on customize, and we can see my server already created. Now from here you will be able to rename the private server and you can enable or disable allow joining to the server, and here you can enable disable connections allowed, or you can invite or add people to the server. And now we have to generate a link for the server. So tap on generate next to private server link and we can see a link successfully generated. Now you can tap on this copy icon to copy the private server link. So this is how you can actually create private server from Roblox in mobile. Thanks for watching.